Cat from Cat and Joy Squad, and today I'm here with
Totem from Totem.
and this is going to be opening up some hatchimals.
So we got Season 1 hatchimals, collectibles, hatch a whole world. It's a 4-pack plus a bonus. Alright.
We also got these ones to open.
Oh, and Jordan's got some hatchems, mashems, hatchems. So, hold on, Callie. Let's take a look at the packaging first. Alright, so we've got hatchimals collectibles.
I want like 4 of them.
Which ones do you want?
So I want this one right here. And then I want this orange one, the puppy, and then where is it? The elephant and this one. So that's like
cool.
5.
So hold, hatch, and play. Oh, and there's cloud clove as well. So if you want more information, go to hatchimals.com.
Yep.
All right. So let's open them and see what we got. All right, Jordan, let's take a look at yours. We've got Season 1 hatchems, mashems. There's 6 to collect. And it looks like you push the egg and it'll explode. Oh, look at that. In world record time.
It's really easy to open.
You can open it, George. Just don't let it explode quite yet, okay?
How am I supposed to open?
Jordan,
Get some scissors or something.
Oh, okay. No.
It's not really working very good.
All right, let's see.
Here, maybe I can just break it. Can I have a hammer?
A hammer?
What? It's the only way.
What do you do without a hammer?
I smash it?
Want to pull this?
Yeah, it might be helpful. You smash it? Okay, so we're going to test this.
I don't think it's going to work that well.
Aww.
The lightsaber doesn't do it. Sorry.
It's not
Alright.
really...
Can I see it?
I'm not warm. I'm really freezing cold.
You are cold this morning.
I'm freezing, but that's late.
I also have a
This will
baseball bat.
work. You have a baseball bat?
Yeah. It's in my room.
Yes, you do.
I got a baseball bat too. It's on the car.
But knowing Jordan's aim, he'll miss and hit the table and break the table.
Yeah. Right when we're selling our house. You probably didn't even know that.
Alright, what's taking so long?
It's not turning pink. Okay, it's...
What about we get the...
Look at this, guys. And then look at this. This is how it is, and then look at this.
Where's our...
Hasn't even changed. Let me
Hasn't
see.
even changed. Like,
Where's our night?
you're hot.
Where's our night?
Oh my gosh, you're so hot. Okay. Ow.
Okay, I got the puppet.
It's
to
yellow.
help us.
Alright, let's see what we get.
Oh, so cute. It can fly away.
I got the puppet weapon to open.
Oh,
I just shot that.
we forgot the checklist.
Oh, it's this one.
Which one is it?
It's this one. From
The meadow.
Meadow.
It looks like it's
Little kitty.
looks like it's a common.
Yay. I don't know what common really means, but
It's common.
You pow.
okay.
They're being silly today, guys. They're being silly.
Oh, I also got this
Here.
one.
Let's take a look. This is the checklist. This is the map. So we have Cloud Clove, Crystal Canyon, Wishing Star Waterfall, Polar Paradise, Fabula Forest, Giggle Grove, Glittering Garden, Friendship Farm, Lilac Lake, Shimmering Sands, and Breezy Beach.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, and these are all that we can get.
Yeah.
So it looks like
Make this one.
she got this from the meadow. All right,
I
have we
made
opened
this
up number
nice
2 yet?
chair, and then I got this one.
Oh, look, my finger.
And that's
This one just came in.
the one that we
this.
showed, right?
Yeah.
That was already there.
It's so cute.
Let's see if we can find it.
Fly away.
That's it.
Yeah, you can see it. Not have it.
There it is, right there. Let's see if we can find it on here. Looks like it has a green belly. Oh, right there in the river. Let's focus. There it is. Looks like it's a common. Come on, let's get some special editions. Or limited edition.
I just put my thumb like this inside. Guess my nails are sharper than I thought.
Did you finally open it up? Oh, he did. We have a blue one and a yellow one.
Let's see if I can tell.
Look how cute this is.
Aw, look at him.
Unicorn.
That's it.
It's kind of like a unicorn if you count that as its horn. It's so cute. I think that's like a rare.
Looks
I
like
feel
maybe
that is.
Looks like a whale or something.
Yeah, that's what I
This
said.
is what I use.
I think she said unicorn, right, guys?
Yeah.
This is what I used to.
Let's see if we can find it.
If that's like a horn.
Oh, is that that's
There?
through the polar paradise?
This is.
I think it's that one.
Can I see it?
This is what I use to open it.
Yep, that's it. That's it.
Cool. It looks like it's
I usually
it's an orange. So I think it says orange are. Where did I find it?
I love these hatchimals.
Orange are rares.
I love these hatchimal things.
That's what I was looking
I
for.
can help you open
All right.
that.
So before you open up your last one, let's have Jordan open.
It's not my last one. I got two.
Oh, okay. Let's have Jordan open up one of his.
Okay.
How do we do this?
All right. So
I
I think
can help you. You take this off.
Will it flow?
No, it won't explode. There's a button in that. And
Well,
you press it.
don't press it as you're taking it off because you have to press it.
Oh,
Okay.
sweet.
And what comes in it?
Jordan, don't press it yet.
What happens when I press it?
Jordan, you'll see. It's really cool. I saw this all over.
All right. So here's the checklist.
These are really cool. Can I?
So
do that.
which one do you want to get, Jordan? Which one do you want to get?
The green one.
Want to get the green one?
The number one is the green one.
All right. Let's push it. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Jordan, like you need to hold it down when you press it. I can, Jordan, like actually hold it down for a few seconds. It should.
There. Oh,
That's better.
is it coming
Oh,
out?
it's got a pink one.
There it is. Here it comes.
It's kind of.
Yeah, but it's exploding.
It's explode. I told you it blew up. I told you it blows up.
Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, take a
Can
look.
I see it? Up there. It's
Look
like
at
a
that.
little cute pink monster. Can I see it?
There she is. Let's see. So it looks like it's.
I don't like this one.
Jordan, it's squishes. It's a squishy. Well, there.
I thought it was a bouncy ball.
No. It has a body, see?
That's it. I just want to see which one it
Body's
is.
bigger than its head. I mean, the
Whoa.
head's bigger than its body.
So
I'm just trying to figure out which one it would be.
Can I see it?
Oh, thanks, sir.
oh, it's this one.
Which one?
Can I see it?
This
No,
one.
it's not that one. That's purple. Oh.
All right.
Well, I think it might be.
All right, Callie. Let's open up.
Okay.
I feel like this is a bouncy ball.
It's not a bouncy ball, Jordan.
What happens if you bounce it? Let's see. I don't think it's a bouncy ball.
No.
Let's
It's
see
like a
if
toy.
I
So we think it's this one. So we think it's the Brachiosaurus.
I think I got another Arctic one. I think I got another Arctic one.
Oh, looks like Spyro.
It's so cute.
Do you need the help to open?
Let's see if we can find them.
Last one. Ooh, can I open?
Yeah, can I help him up? Can I press the button in this one? Okay.
Looks like it is. Looks like it's another rare.
Here.
It seems like all the Polar Paradise are rare, which is pretty cool. I don't know. We have one more left. Let's see if we can get a limited edition one. All right.
This is taking forever.
So, oh, you guys are switching it up?
I
And
think
I'm gonna
I
open up this one.
No,
and he's
no,
gonna
Jordan,
open up
no.
that one.
We're not doing it.
Jordan, how about you just like put your thumb in that hole? Like dig your thumb in that. Like dig it. Dig your thumb in. The heart.
Jeez.
I can get it started for you.
I think I don't need it.
Okay. Oh, yes. It's a workout, isn't it? These things are kind of sharp too. That's like a little.
Can he do it? That's the question. Can he do it?
I don't know if he can do it.
Oh
Probably
my
he
god.
can, but it's strong. I told you. I made this one a little.
I need to call in my little friend.
No. Hey, Jar. No.
You're
Come
about
on.
to.
You can open it.
My little friend.
Good, I can. Okay, you got it.
Let's see.
Please.
Let's see if
I
it's a
can get it.
clove. Cloud clove.
Please be cloud clove, because I love the cloud clove ones. I love all of them. Oh, it's a little jungle
It's a
one.
monkey. It looks like a
I think
monkey.
it's from the jungle. It has wings. Well, I guess all of them have wings, but
It looks like it could be that one. This one right here.
I got two pink ones,
Let's
two
take a
blue
look.
ones, and one yellow. Jordan, I'm opening up.
Can I open?
There he is.
I just want to press a button.
Pretty cool. Looks like he has some shiny wings.
Okay. I forget how to open up the top.
Oh. They're destructive today. Holy.
Good.
They want to break everything. Here.
Let Daddy try. I want
Get-
to press a button.
It should just
Twist.
twist. Does it twist? It's one that doesn't want to be open, guys. This one doesn't want to be opened. I was going to say, don't push it because you don't want to accidentally push the button. Oh, there it is.
You have to bring it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, we got twins.
Is that the same one? No.
Yeah, it's the same. Oh no, it's
No,
not.
it's a little lighter.
Can I see it? Oh, we got the purple one. Jordan, I told you it wasn't that one.
Yeah, wasn't the one that we think this
I
one
told
was?
you it wasn't
Can I see that one?
that one.
Jordan?
It was this one.
I want to see this.
This one was this one.
We got a little
The second one was this.
baby.
Oh, okay. So the second one was that one.
We got a little baby.
Then I think this is.
Let me see it.
And it's so squishy.
Which one, Jordan?
This one is this one.
What's that thing?
This one is that one.
Okay. Can I see it for a second? Oh.
These are meant for to be squishies, I think.
There's the second one. So the second one is the
I like
Brachiosaurus,
the second one better.
and the
I like
first one was Diplodocus.
This is cool.
Thank goodness they're not. Actually, Jordan, you like your favorite animal are,
Monkey.
and you got a monkey.
My favorite color is purple and blue. Well, one of my favorite colors is purple and blue. And that was purple and blue.
Alright, so
Really
what's the next video going to be on, guys?
The Kinder Egg.
Kinder Eggs!
Yay!
Alright, remember to subscribe to Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yes.
Remember to comment down below. What else should they do? Share with family and friends. Like the video. And until next time,
Bye!
I hope you like our hatchimals and our hatchems.